I must say that I'm very impressed the way Taiwan and Taiwanese people deal with the problem of coronavirus. I can see that the reactions are professional, very accurate and very fast. For example, Taiwanese government banned flights from China, from Macau, from Hong Kong at the very early stage of the outbreak. They added obligatory temperature checks at the airport. They handled the problem with the surgical mask. They banned exporting them from Taiwan, and also they increased the local production so it could be enough for the local hospitals and people. What is more, the people also take care of the thing. Like if you go to the public place or you go to the private companies, wherever you go, people are gonna check your temperature. If you go to the residential area, you're gonna see lots of sprays to disinfect your hands, so you feel safer also there and you're more hygienic. The other thing is that people themselves behave seriously against this pandemic. You see there is less people out. You see that people keep the distance. You know, people wash their hands more often, they wear masks, and this way they're stopping from spreading disease. And actually, when you have to go out, you're gonna notice that there is way less cars and way less traffic than usually. I see that lots of people need to take a leave and cannot work at the moment. But at the same time, I can say that the situation in Taiwan is very well handled and it's pretty safe here. And it's probably one of the safest places at the planet at the moment. Dealt with any major inconvenience or difficulty due to the coronavirus. In Taiwan, you can get delivered anything home, including your grocery. I know local people love to go out and eat out, but lots of people understand the issue, and fortunately also the apps stepped into the game and they help you having delivered anything to your doorstep, including your food. So because of that, it's way safer and you can kind of live normally. First of all, I wouldn't like to be anywhere near the airport. I wouldn't like to be locked with the people on an airplane, and I wouldn't be into traveling so far because it's very dangerous and it's very irresponsible at the moment to travel, especially if you don't need it. Because here in Taiwan, you have all the healthcare, you have professional doctors, you have the hospitals, and in case you get sick and you need to see a doctor, you are 100% in good hands and there is no reason to go out. And what is more, I have my work here, and of course, because of the pandemic, the business is gonna slow down a bit, but I'm still pretty busy with it, so there is totally no reason for me to leave Taiwan anytime soon. I think things in Europe, in Poland, are pretty scary at the moment, and well, I think the people didn't know it's gonna happen that big, and I kind of understand because like few years before, when we have SARS outbreak in Europe, there were no severe cases. All the thing happened mostly in Asia, so I guess most of people were expecting similar, but I think world changed a lot and the world becomes smaller and things are more connected and we affect each other more, so even diseases from Asia are gonna affect more Europe at the moment, since people didn't prepare for this that seriously. And as you could see a few weeks ago or 1 month ago, when the situation got really scary in Italy, that was just moments away from other countries in Europe. You know, Europe has no borders, there's lots of people going back and forth from one country to another, and the spread of virus, it can be very, very fast. And at the moment in Poland, like all the borders are shut, the schools are shut, most of the businesses cannot even run, and they asking government for help. And people stay at home. which is good, and there's nothing better to do for most of the people at the moment. They just need to stay there, and they need to calm down. As long as there is no panic, you know, some people do, like you can see on social media, like excessive shopping videos, which is a very bad idea because it just makes other people feel more distressed. The most important is just stay at home, and the thing's gonna be good, but it needs some time and everybody's cooperation. So I hope everything's gonna go back to normal soon.